Okay, Dive Locker, we're going to see if we can get, see if I can show you this hack. This is Roger, by the way. I'm going to type in divelocker.com. I know that's not your website, but it's going to get me into the search engine so that I can click from the search engine, because this only happens when you click from the search engine. Well, somebody bought this domain in the past week and put something up, so we're going to do this. All right, diveblocker.net. So we'll do this, and as you can see, you are being redirected, and this is just a what they're doing here is cookie stuffing, and you're going to be fishing for information. I know you're on WordPress, so I know that's a hack. It's probably from an out-of-date plugin, or your WordPress has not been updated, or something like that. I've cleaned up a ton of these for myself and for other people. So if you need help doing it, you actually have to go through every folder and make sure that only the WordPress files are left. And there'll be some in there that look legitimate and they're not. I've got a whole, I have a whole file on them that I use to compare when I run across it on my own site. So I'll be happy to do that for you if you like, and just let me know. Hopefully you'll be able to get this fixed. All right, I'm going to show you how they get around you. We're going to go directly to the website this time. And you'll see that when you go directly there, you don't get a redirect, because they know owners don't search for their own website. So this is just one of the tricks they pull to keep it alive for as long as they can. And this has been happening since August at least. Not only is it not good for your customers and your business, but it's also not good for your SEO rankings, your search engine result optimization rankings. So you want to get that fixed.